Hi guys, today I will be showing you Holi subtle makeup look. So firstly I moisturize my face and then I'm using this MAC strobe cream to highlight my high points, and then I'm using this Estee Lauder foundation just to conceal my uneven skin tone, and then I'm using this Face Shop lip and cheek tint which gives like very natural look. You can see that it looks so beautiful, and then I'm using this peach color eyeshadow to hold my eyelid, and then I'm using a little bit of eyeliner just to define my end, and then I'm using this highlighter. This is so satisfying, just look it at. A little bit on my nose, a little bit on my cheek. Then I'm using the same cheek tint to my lips also. Voila, now I'm ready for my Holi look.